Every single day, thousands of people open a Shopify store. And every single day, almost all of them fail. Not because Shopify's bad, not because the market is dead, but because they walk in making the exact same mistakes. Mistakes that nobody warned them about. In this video, I am going to show you exactly why 99% of Shopify stores fail, with real numbers, real examples. And more importantly, I am going to show you what the 1% do differently, so you don't waste your money, your time, and your energy finding out the hard way. Let's get into it. But wait a minute. If you are new on UnearthUS, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Okay, first, let's talk about the real numbers, because most people have no idea how brutal the odds actually are. Over 4.6 million stores have been created on Shopify. Studies consistently show that fewer than 5% of e-commerce stores reach sustainable profitability in their first 2 years. That means roughly 95 out of every 100 stores either break even or lose money. That is not Shopify's fault. Shopify is just the platform. It's a tool, like a kitchen. Having a kitchen doesn't make you a chef, and owning a Shopify store doesn't make you a business owner. Not yet. So what separates the 1% who actually win? It comes down to 7 mistakes, and if you fix even 3 of them, you are already ahead of 90% of the people who try this.
Mistake number 1, picking a product they love instead of a product the market wants. This is the number 1 killer. Someone loves candles. They open a candle store. They spend $800 on inventory, $200 on a website, and then they run ads, and nothing sells. Why? Because they never asked whether people actually search for this product online, whether the margin is good enough to survive ad costs, or whether there are already 500 other stores selling the exact same thing for less. A winning Shopify product typically solves a specific problem, has a retail price between $30 and $70, is not easily found in local stores, and has a cost-to-sell ratio that leaves at least 3x markup after ads and shipping. The fix? Before you sell anything, spend 1 week just researching. Use Google Trends, TikTok search, and Amazon bestseller lists. If people are already buying it somewhere, that's a green light, not a red one. Competition means demand. Mistake number 2, running paid ads before they have proof the store converts. This is where most beginners lose their entire budget in 2 weeks. They set up a store, run Facebook or TikTok ads, spend $300 or $500, get some clicks, and 0 sales. Then they think ads don't work. Ads work. The store didn't work. Before you spend a single dollar on ads, you need to know 3 things. 1, does my product page actually convince people to buy? 2, is my checkout smooth with no friction? 3, is my price competitive? If you have not tested these with free traffic first, organic social, friends, Reddit, TikTok organic, you are paying to find out your store is broken. The industry benchmark for a Shopify store conversion rate is 1 to 3%. If you are running ads and converting below 0.5%, the problem is the store, not the ad. Fix the store first, then scale with ads.
Mistake number 3, and this one is silent because you never see it happen. People visit your store, look around for 8 seconds, and leave. Not because they don't want the product, because they don't trust you. Think about it from the customer side. They land on a store they've never heard of. There are no reviews, the about page is empty, there is no phone number, no return policy, no real photos, just stock images from AliExpress. Would you give your credit card to that store? No, neither will they. Research on e-commerce behavior shows that 81% of online shoppers check reviews before buying. Stores with 0 reviews, missing trust badges, or unclear return policies see abandonment rates above 85%. The fix is simple. Get at least 10 reviews before you run any serious traffic, even if you give away a few units to get them. Add a real return policy. Add a real about section. Add trust badges at checkout. These things cost nothing, and they can double your conversion rate overnight. Mistake number 4, ignoring mobile. Over 70% of e-commerce traffic today comes from phones. If your store looks bad on mobile, slow to load, hard to navigate, tiny buttons, you are losing most of your potential customers before they even see your product. Always design for mobile first. Mistake number 5, giving up after the first failed product. Most successful Shopify store owners tested 5 to 10 products before finding a winner. The ones who quit after product 1 or 2 never gave themselves a real chance. This is a testing game. Treat your first $200 in ad spend as tuition. You are paying to learn what works. Mistake number 6, choosing the wrong niche. Selling general products to everyone is selling to no one. The stores that win are hyper-specific. A store for dog owners, a store for left-handed people, a store for home gym beginners. When your store has a clear identity, your marketing becomes 10 times easier, and your customers feel like the store was built just for them.
Mistake number 7, the most ignored one, not building an email list. Every visitor who leaves your store without buying is gone forever, unless you captured their email. Successful Shopify stores use a simple pop-up offering 10% off in exchange for an email. They then use that list to send abandoned cart reminders, new product launches, and promotions. Email marketing returns an average of $36 for every $1 spent, higher than any other marketing channel, including paid ads and social media. It is the single most underused tool in e-commerce for beginners. The fix? Set up a free email tool like Klaviyo the same day you launch your store. Build the list from day one. Even if you only have 100 subscribers, that list is yours. No algorithm can take it away. So what does the 1% actually do? Simple. They research before they spend. They test before they scale. They build trust before they run ads. They treat it like a real business, not a lottery ticket. But wait a minute, could you please subscribe our channel and support us? Okay, coming back. Shopify is not a get-rich-quick machine. It is a platform. The business is still your job to build. But if you avoid these 7 mistakes, you are already miles ahead of the people who are about to lose $500 this week and quit. If this video saved you money or gave you clarity, hit the like button. It costs you nothing, and it helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you want the next video where I show you exactly how to find a winning Shopify product from scratch, step by step, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.